Okay, in this short screencast, I'm going to cover an overlooked feature of Google My Business pages, and that is the posts feature. So Ash Wednesday is next week, so let's get out ahead of it here. And I've created an event post. It's already been published, but if I click edit here, you can see what I've added, image and title. Also, we do have a page here created on the website that has a lot of the details. So you'll want to be sure to add a link to that. And because it's already been published, we can look at it on another browser here. I'm not signed in, so these are just some search results. Here's the Google My Business page. You'll see the result here. On a mobile device, the posts are higher up on the screen, so it looks even better on mobile devices. And in this case here, I've searched Ash Wednesday Rosemount, and you'll see in the local pack results Ash Wednesday Mass and Services. There is the event post title, and this is Google Maps. Here again, we've got Ash Wednesday Mass and Services. So it doesn't take long for your event post to appear in search results. This is really useful. So for Ash Wednesday, Easter services, the list is endless. Definitely want to use this for local SEO. Very powerful. There is a very good set of instructions or recommendations here. Make great business posts. If you search for this, there's some great ideas and suggestions on how to make some effective posts for your Google My Business page. If you find this helpful or useful, please click the thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks.